There are certain times of the year when you can make an absolute killing selling things on Amazon. In this video, I'm going to show you when the next time is. All right, next, let's talk about shopping days. Shopping days. Where are we going here? All right, so who knows, after Valentine's Day, which is coming up, this coming Sunday? I hope you're all prepared. After Valentine's Day, what's the next big shopping day? Who knows? Who knows what the next big shopping day is? Mother's Day. That's the next big one, okay? That is the next big one. St. Paddy's Day is coming up, but it's actually not that big a day on Amazon. Easter is coming up, but again, it ain't that big a shopping day. I don't know why, but it ain't. Mother's Day is a huge day. That shopping period in the run up to Mother's Day is huge. So Mother's Day is coming up in Australia on the 9th of May. The 9th of May, okay? Which is approximately 2 months away. It is also the same, I believe anyway, the same date, the 9th of May in the USA. Typically they're on the same day. And in the UK, it will be the following week after that. So what's that? So the 14th, I don't know, something like that. Whatever that date is. Typically it's a week after in the UK, okay? But that is the next big shopping day that's going to come up. So right now, February the 8th, you've got 2 months to get your shit together and get a product up ready for Mother's Day. That is absolutely doable. No problems at all with doing that. And there are some amazing stuff out there that you can do to sell for Mother's Day. There's some absolutely freaking incredible products. Within Australia, there's some amazing products to sell, and you've got 2 months to get yourself up and running and going for it. So, a challenge for you. I've shown you tonight some awesome ways of finding some products, sourcing them domestically here in Australia. I am very sure you'll be able to find some products to sell for Mother's Day. And here is my top tips. So if you just come to Google and you want some ideas, Mother's Day, if we do bestsellers Mother's Day. Okay, and then if we go over to tools, and if you do a custom date range, hopefully that's all coming up for you, and just go back to the period, kind of like that, you'll find what was the bestsellers last year, and it is absolutely the case that the bestsellers last year probably going to be bestsellers again this year, or at least you'll be able to get some wicked ideas for some stuff to try. Okay, so here are what was the bestsellers last year. It's a very good assumption to make that they will also sell this year, so use that as a strategy to go and get heaps and heaps of product ideas for a product to sell on Mother's Day this year. You've got 2 months to get your shit together to go and get something found, sourced, and up onto Amazon. And here's what I would do. What most people make the mistake of around these big holidays is they save all of their firepower for like the week before Mother's Day, okay? And that's a massive mistake. What you want to do instead, and it's super important, by the way, to have, you can't put great Mother's Day gift on the front facing side of an Amazon listing. It's against terms of service. But what you can do is you can put that shit all over the place in the arse end of Seller Central, okay? So what you want to do, Mother's Day gift, that will do. So let's suppose you want to rank for that particular search term, okay? Let's suppose you want to rank for that particular search term. the time to rank that product is a month before. So what you want to do, about a month before Mother's Day, people start buying Mother's Day gifts. Okay, there's the early shoppers who are always kind of on the ball, getting things, they're ahead of schedule. There are those people out there, you might be one of them yourself. They are the people you initially want to target, and you do that running PPC ads. Okay, most people will not be running PPC ads for Mother's Day at that time, so your costs for clicks are much cheaper. And then what you do is you focus on ranking your product ready for the probably 10 days before Mother's Day, when the shit really hits the fan, because you will then already be ranked for that, and you'll be in the prime spot, page 1, for your search term, meaning you can actually turn your PPC off if you want to. That's a much better way of doing it. All right, I'm happy to go into that in a lot more detail on another Q&A, but that is the strategy. I do it all the time. That's what I'm going to do this time as well. That's what you want to do. It's a super easy idea. What you've just watched is a live Q&A session that I do every single week with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the largest group of e-commerce entrepreneurs in Australia. We've got combined sales of over $50 million, and we are the best goddamn money-making group of like-minded larrikins, iconoclasts and entrepreneurs this side of Darwin. If you'd like to find out more about us, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and check out the link below, AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.